This video is brought to you by the Shadow Angel Genesis. His soul locked in perpetual servitude, Daniel Adrian Angelescu has spent the last 500 years serving as the Vatican's greatest monster hunter, the Shadow Angel. Now his mission brings him to South Bend, Indiana, and it's bound to be an assignment he'll never forget. Click the links in the description below to get your copy today. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host, Robert Cantor, and today I've got another Wonka Bar flavor for you. If you've been paying attention to this channel, you know by now that in the original book it's stated that Willy Wonka invented over 200 variations of the Wonka Bar. And this new one I came up with sounds like it's right up his alley. In modern times, the questionable whimsies of the circus are all but dead. But Whimsy is Wonka's middle name. So I came up with this new bar, Cotton Candy Carnival. If you can't find any cotton candy extract at your local shops, you can always get some online. I managed to get some at Michael's Arts and Crafts store. Follow these instructions and you'll do just fine. Just make sure you go easy on the food coloring. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.